In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in or out of a document in Microsoft Word. Zooming allows you to change how large or small your document appears on the screen, making it easier to read, edit, or review your work. It's important to remember that zooming only changes how the document looks on your screen. It does not affect the actual size of the text when printed. Let's get started. The easiest way to zoom in or out is by using the Zoom slider located at the bottom right corner of the Microsoft Word window. Simply drag the slider to the right to zoom in and make the document appear larger. Drag the slider to the left to zoom out and make the document appear smaller. As you move the slider, you will see the zoom percentage change. Another method is to use the zoom options in the View tab. Go to the View tab on the ribbon, then look for the Zoom group. Here you will see several helpful options. Click the Zoom button to open the Zoom dialog box. In this window, you can choose a specific zoom percentage, such as 100%, 150%, or 200%. You could also type in a custom zoom level if you want a more precise view. You will also find quick options like 100%, one page, and multiple pages. The 100% option returns your document to its normal viewing size. The one-page option adjusts the zoom so that the entire page fits within your window. The multiple pages option displays more than one page on the screen at the same time, which is useful when reviewing longer documents. And that's how you zoom in or out of a document in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.